Let me take you on a journey through what makes this museum so special and worth visiting. The Hastashilpa Heritage Village Museum is like stepping back in time. It was created with the aim of preserving India's traditional lifestyle, architecture, and crafts. Many of us might have seen old style homes in our villages, but in today's world, they are disappearing due to modern construction and changing lifestyles. This museum works hard to protect and display these cultural treasures. The museum also showcases traditional crafts. You can see stone carvings, wooden sculptures, pottery, and paintings. These items remind us of the skills and the creativity of Indian artisans. In today's fast-paced world, where everything is modern and machine-made, this museum reminds us of the importance of preserving our heritage and respecting traditional ways of life. It is also a great place for students, artists, architects, and anyone who loves history. Hastashilpa Heritage Village Museum is not just a museum. It's a treasure chest of memories, culture, and traditions. It teaches us about our past and inspires us to appreciate the beauty of our heritage. The museum covers several acres of land and is designed to feel like a heritage village. It has over 26 carefully restored traditional buildings. each with its own unique story and style. It has over 26 carefully restored traditional buildings, each with its own unique story and style. Artisans and craftsmen played a big role in beautifying homes and temples, showing the importance of art in Indian society. The houses here come from different regions of Karnataka and other states of India. Each house reflects the local culture, climate, and way of life. Inside these houses, you will find old furniture, utensils, and decorative items. These give you an idea of how people lived in the past, how they cooked their food, and how they decorated their homes. One of the best things about Hastashilpa Village Museum is that it doesn't just show artifacts inside glass boxes like other museums. Instead, everything is displayed naturally, making you feel like you are actually living in that time. As you walk through the village, you will feel as if life has stopped in the past. You can touch the walls, walk through the rooms, and imagine how families lived in these houses. If you ever get a chance to visit Manipal, make sure to spend a few hours here. It's a peaceful and enriching experience that will leave you a feeling connected to the roots of India. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay gritty.